In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar view in Monday.com to track deadlines. If you want a simple way to see your tasks laid out by date, the calendar view is one of the most useful tools in Monday.com. It helps you move beyond a basic list and gives you a clear visual overview of upcoming deadlines, important dates, and scheduled work. This can make it much easier to stay organized and quickly understand what needs attention. To get started, open your Monday.com board. This should be the board where you already manage your tasks, projects, or items, and where you want to track deadlines in a calendar format. Once you're inside the correct board, take a quick look at the columns you already have. For the calendar to work properly, your board needs to include a date column. If you don't already have one, go ahead and add it. This is the column that Monday.com will use to place each item onto the calendar, so it's an essential part of the setup. When adding the column, make sure you choose the date column type, not a text field or another column format, since the calendar relies on actual date values. After that, enter dates for your items. You can do this by clicking into the date column for each row and selecting the appropriate deadline or scheduled date. Take your time here because the accuracy of your calendar depends on the dates you assign. If an item doesn't have a date, it won't appear correctly in the calendar view. So it's a good idea to make sure all relevant items are updated. Once your dates are in place, look toward the top area of the board and click Add View. This is where Monday.com lets you create different ways to look at the same information. From the list of available view options, select Calendar View. Monday.com will then generate a calendar layout based on the data in your board. Next, choose the date column you want the calendar to display. If your board has more than one date-related column, be careful to select the one that matches the deadlines or schedule you actually want to track. This step tells Monday.com which dates to use when placing items onto the calendar. Finally, save the view and start using it to track deadlines. Once saved, you can return to this calendar anytime for a more visual way to manage your work. It's especially helpful for planning ahead, spotting busy days, and keeping your team aligned around important due dates.